Hello world, this is Bernadette Goko Conley with another YouTube video to share this Mama Magic, or in this case, Lola Magic Crocheation for my apo, my granddaughter, Alina Ray Conley, who will be turning 2 years old this coming May 27, 2022. Let's unbox the present as if she's opening it to feel her excitement in the near future. I used this old box from Victoria's Secret. I had bought a pair of shoes from Victoria's Secret and I saved it because it's so pretty. It said Victoria's Secret here. So I hid it by placing these Easter seals, happy birthday stickers on there. And I love this box because although it says Victoria's Secret here, which I'm going to also hide, I love the way it opens up. You just stick your finger in there, open it up this way. As you can see, I made a custom-made birthday card for her. That is my rendition of her cute little face. She kind of looks like that. She has brown hair, and she's wearing the fairy outfit with the wings. I'm thinking about buying this fairy wings from Amazon. But here's the front of the card, and then inside is a picture of she and I when I used to take care of her. Her first year of life, I took care of my baby, granddaughter Alina. This was taken on February 19, 2021. And then I just wrote her a little letter. And then here is the unboxing. These are the shoes. My son, Gregory Conley, bought these little bells, which I sewed on to the top of the shoe. And it's got a drawstring to tighten it up so it doesn't slip off of her feet, which you can tie in a bow. And then it has flowers at the end so it doesn't unravel. So those are the shoes that goes with the outfit. And then there's matching hat, which has the same motif. On the rim of the hat has a border. You can see it matches the slippers. They have the same motif. And then the dress. The dress flares out at the bottom. The skirt part has on the ends the same motif. And also the sleeves. And if I could show you the whole outfit here. Here is the dress, the top part of the dress. And if you can see how that would look on her, I think it would be very, very pretty to see her in this cute little elf outfit. Oh my gosh, Alina. She's gonna love it. Until next time, bye.